Welcome! In this video, we'll learn about a powerful and amazing tool used to produce 3D videos from Google Maps, the Google Earth Studio Toolkit version 2.31. Whether you're a designer, content creator, or even a filmmaker, this tool will open up a world of amazing visual creativity. Let's start! Google Earth Studio Toolkit is a unique tool based on Google Earth data that lets you create professional videos with three-dimensional views of anywhere in the world. The new version Viki 2.31 comes with new and improved features that help you achieve the best results. The new version of Toolkit V 2.31 introduces multiple improvements, including improved performance. Work is smoother and more flexible when dealing with three-dimensional data. New panning options. Add advanced options to move the camera easily and accurately. Improved compatibility. Now it supports a wider range of video editing software like After Effects. Improved export settings. Faster and higher quality export options. Ease of use. Improved interface for a simpler and more efficient user experience. Now let's figure out how to use the tool step by step. Sign in. Head to the Google Earth Studio website and sign in with your Google account. Choose a location. Select the location you want to photograph using the interactive map. Create the project. Adjust project settings such as video resolution and camera angle. Panning. Use the available panning tools to move the camera and record footage. Export. After you're done, export the video in high-quality formats to use in your projects. To take full advantage of Google Earth Studio Toolkit, you can integrate footage with video editors like Adobe After Effects. V 2.31 includes improvements to facilitate this process, such as supporting JSON files and synchronizing transaction data. Ultimately, Google Earth Studio Toolkit version 2.31 is an ideal choice for anyone looking for an innovative way to create professional quality 3D videos. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, leave a comment below the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more creative content.
La fuerza del mar que se mete por tu pena, lo caliente del sol que se te metió y no te deja quieta, nena. ¿Quién puede parar de eso que al bailar te controla tus caderas? Y ese fuego te quema por dentro y lento te convierte en fiera. Una mano arriba, cintura sola, da media vuelta y sacude el culo. No te quites ahora, que tú solo empiezas. Mueve la cabeza, ay, sacude el culo. Sacude el culo, mueve la fría luna. Tú misma es mi carrera, tú eres el culo. Sacude el culo, mueve la fría luna. Tú misma es mi carrera, é pra quebrar futuro, vamos dançar futuro, oi, 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 oi. Seja morena ou loira, vem balançar futuro, oi, oi, oi. La mano arriba, cintura sola, da media vuelta, danza kuduro, no te canses ahora, que tú solo empiezas. Mueve la cabeza, danza kuduro.